Alright guys, I don't see anyone else come to join us, so we're gonna get a move on here. Friends on board, go ahead and sit back, relax. Driver, we are clear to dispatch.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children. Thank you.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
To Simba and Peter Pan. As we make our way out, the different reminders for you. We do a speed limit here in the parking lot. It's going to be a slow 15.5 miles an hour, not a fast 50. To exit our parking lot. To exit our parking lot, going to follow those big white arrows painted on the pavement. Again, those arrows will lead you to the one, the only exit. When you get to your car, stay to the sides of car issues. Make sure to flag down the security council. Remember, they're going to be driving on in white SUVs with green and yellow lights on top. We're going to be making one stop only. That'll be right in the middle of all the rows of Simba and all the rows of Peter Pan. Before we get there, my driver's going to go down a little bit further. We do a quick 5-mile-an-hour U-turn. Let's go to your fully complete stop. Simba, rows 110 to 126 will be to the driver's left-hand side. Peter Pan, rows 209 to 225 will be to the driver's right. We're not quite there yet, so please remain seated with those doors closed. Hang on tight to loose articles and small children. As this tram is so burned as some sun starts and stops. Clear to turn, driver. Alright guys, well, please stop.
This way, Bill, this way.
Get to your next destination safely.
Just rode the tram back to the parking lot. Yeah, pretty nice tram ride. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more Disney content or whatever of my interest. Yeah, that was a cool tram ride. Even though we parked all the way over there, I just decided to ride it anyways. There's the tractor number, tractor 4 it looks like. Yeah, over and out.